Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and today I want to cook some rare fruit. Usually I eat fruit raw, but sometimes some fruit are better cooked, some fruit tastes very different when cooked, with some other ones I don't really know, but I want to do some experiments. So let's see what we've got here. First we have this mystery orange banana from the Tenerife palmatum. Actually most of the fruit are from the palmatum, many thanks to the palmatum for providing those fruit for the experimentation. The palmatum is the best botanic garden in the Canary Islands, definitely visit it when you are here. So here first we have some quite mysterious orange banana, which nobody could tell me what it is. I guess the boss of the palmatum can tell me, but I haven't asked him yet. The gardeners just knew that it's supposed to be fried. So I'm gonna fry it now. Well, I also want to cook the banana flower in some way, since they're also quite popular in tropical cuisines. Here I have two baobab fruits, both are Aranzonia digitata, but this is from Senegal, while this is from Gambia, and this is supposed to be better. I want to compare them, and then I want to make some iron-like drink from them, like they make them, like they do in Africa. Here I have two different types of hala fruit. I remember that this was Pandanus piriformis. I don't remember this one. But I want to cook them and also want to do something with the seed, because they are really not too good like this. Here I have two coconuts, two very ripe coconuts. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with them, but I will figure it out. Here I have a very rare palm from the Espiritu Santo island. I think it was something with xylons. Some very rare palm, which is supposed to be a local delicacy. And the seeds taste a bit like coconuts, but in my opinion the seeds taste quite boring and tasteless. So together with this Vodiedia bifurcata seeds, I want to cook them in sugar and cinnamon and see if they gonna taste more exciting. Don't get me wrong, the seeds don't taste bad, especially the seeds of the unripe fruit, but they're just too boring. Here I have some Pindo or jelly palm fruit. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but they're being used for a lot of stuff. They are not just being eaten out of hand, and so I want to try to prepare them with something. Here I have my dried strawberry fruit. I think I just want to boil them in some sugar water and see if I can make them a little bit juicier again. Let's see what comes out of them. Here I have Artocarpus camansi, the breadnut, or the seedy breadfruit. So I'm gonna boil the seeds. They are supposed to taste like chestnuts once prepared. And here I have the dates, which I also collected here on this island, and I want maybe to substitute some sugar with dates in some of the recipes. So today is going to be big experimentation day. Wish me luck. I'm going to make a couple videos when about my results. Yeah. And hopefully the results will be tasty. Well, put enough sugar and oil into anything and it's going to be tasty. So folks, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos, including about those different fruits here from the beautiful island of Tenerife. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.